Hello everybody, welcome back my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix WhatsApp message not received and WhatsApp message not sending problem. So how to fix, you as can see, red dot on WhatsApp, type on WhatsApp, you as can see not received any message. So how to fix, go back your home screen and type on Play Store, and from here you will search for this WhatsApp business. You tap on this, you as can see show update, you have update, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back and open your setting, and from here scroll down and tap on apps, and from here tap on apps management and search for this WhatsApp and tap on this, and from here tap on storage usage, tap on this and tap on clear cache and tap on clear data, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back here home screen and tap on long press on WhatsApp and tap on uninstall, and after a few minutes you have again installed WhatsApp app and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then open your setting, and from here you tap on Wi-Fi connection. From here you make sure that connect strong Wi-Fi connection, and after that I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.